Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We got a train coming here. Got an Alco 85 train coming. Let's check it out. I don't know if it's got to be light power or it's grain hopper train. If it's a grain train, they're still going on. If it's light power, they're done. It's an empty grain hopper train it is. That's a train they should have took to OC&T the other day. But I don't know if I'm going to have enough storage to get the OC&T train or not. I didn't get those hoppers on the last train, so I'm going to get them right here. They should be going passing that hopper. They're not going to take the hoppers or the other ones. I think they're going to get those to the... They're all in the train engine right now. Yeah, I got a little stop right now. Maybe we'll keep that camera. No, probably after this, I might gonna get off and see. I'm gonna skip that last thing, cause like I said, otherwise we're not gonna have room for the start to get the next train. That will be the empty grain train for the OC&T. Only have like a couple train videos, ain't gonna be on for long anyway. That's a train that's supposed to take to OC&T, but instead, no. There's the end over by the tankers. Here's the open right there. This is gonna be it for the grain. This is gonna be it for the grain. This is gonna be it for the grain hopper work anyway. Because I'm thinking rest of this is gonna be the OC&T run. But I know I like to wander since it's 50 degrees and no snow and it's nice out, but I have to upload a couple train videos before that. A couple of them ain't gonna be on for long. So, but I'm gonna get off and we'll see where the empty hoppers go. But before the OC&T run, they gotta do one thing only. That will be they're gonna get that short grain hopper train. I probably won't get that in this next train. I won't get that either. I want to save that last spot for the hopper, or not for the hopper, but for the, not for the hopper, but for the for that next freight, though. So, but I'm going to get off for right now, and we'll get back on with this next train. Talk to you later.